Once again, a spot on prediction last week. We have mentioned that gold is consolidating, it is giving diminishing bearishness. Any move beyond 2040 should take it towards 2060-65 zone. Beautifully, it has achieved 2065 and closed with a drop at around 2040. Now, what to expect next week? Is it going to rise again next week, or there is a possibility of a sharper fall from the current levels? How we can profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get twice a day updates for gold. First I release with Asia and Europe session and next with US session. Thus press the bell icon, and yes friends, your every like, comment and share is a great motivation for me. Do press the like. In this update, we'll also have a deeper look into the monthly review as well, what is going to be expected in the month of February complete. Thus watch till the end, and towards the end I will give you the levels. Let's start. Now, on the monthly charts, if you connect the lows for the last 2 months, you will find that gold has now got its support at around 2028, 2030 zone for the month of February. Any break below 2028 should take it towards 2018, 2020 first support, and then 2000 levels it would try to break. Yes, if it stays below 2018, 2020, more bearishness will be seen, and then we can look forward to 2000, 1997 as the first support, and below that it would like to achieve 1970 levels here. But right now, looking at the last week's movement, it appears to be more in a consolidation zone before it gives a breakout. If you look at monthly stochastic, this is started to look downwards. The MACD is still divergent and bullish, and this is on the monthly charts. Also, if you notice on the monthly charts, see, this was the first wave and it is undergoing right now a retracement wave, or on the greener side. You can see the drop was sharper, the retracement is bit gradual. RSI is flat here. Coming to weekly, on the weekly charts, what has happened? It is taking this support from the 20 period moving average, and with that as support, we have seen a breakout last week. Now, see, till now we have seen gold giving lower highs, lower lows. Yes, it was forming a nice flag on the weekly charts, and last week it has given a breakout. Now, but it appears that the bullish momentum is certainly it is not willing to carry, as you can see the body size is less than half of this complete move, which suggests that the bears were more heavier towards the end of the, and thus in the coming week, if you see price is staying below 2018, 2020, that is the point of time you can say now this is a breakout and more bears will take over. Else it is, as long as it respects 2018, 2020, we can expect a rise again in gold. Now also remember, 2065 levels have already touched last week, so I am just raising the next level. I am looking forward to the next highs at 2072.5, 2071.5. This is the first level it needs to break. If gold stays above this level, certainly I will be looking forward to 2100 and 2120 in the month of February. Thus, we have to wait for it to give a breakout now again about 2071 and levels, and then beyond that, certainly we can look forward to more bullish momentum. And one must not forget, see, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement, and it is bouncing back from the same levels. Where are the highs here? Again 2100, 2120 levels. So yes, as long as it respects this channel, where are the bottom of the channel? Close to 2000 levels here on the weekly channel. Weekly stochastic has dropped sharply. MACD is trying to converge. Remember, it has not yet crossed over. And if you look at the MACD, first wave, second wave, see, this is almost at the median and it has lot much of potential to diverge and continue to rise. Thus, I will be watchful of the coming week. This will shape the direction for gold for the next few weeks for the complete month of February. RSI rising. Coming to the day. Now, let's have a detailed look on the daily charts. If you notice this, at this point, I have mentioned that gold is giving a breakout and it is looking forward to a rise. Also, I have mentioned last week that this is the zone 2065, which is needed to be breached by gold in order to confirm a rally. What has happened? It has almost formed a symmetry. With higher lows it has achieved the same highs, and failing to break past, now it has reached. Now should we treat this as reversal? Now let's have a look. See, first of all, it has respected the lows beautifully thus far, 2030 and 2028. Those who watch my daily videos, How many times did we discuss 2028, 2030? You all can notice this, and beautifully it is respected 2028, 2030 levels yet again. So this is again a very, very important support zone for gold. Now if you look at the last two candles, see lower highs, lower lows. After the rise again it is forming a flag, and thus now it has to break first 2060-65 zone. Once gold stays above 2060-65, it can try to rally more, and then we will be looking forward to 2100. But right now it is forming a bearish flag here, and that considers of lower highs, lower lows. Where are the lows of this channel? Is somewhere here at 2050-55 zone. Where are the lows at 2024-2020? So for the week, if it confined its movement within a narrow zone, we can look forward to 2020-2018 coming into support, and then below that 2010-2000 levels should be a greater support. Only bearishness in gold is if it trades first below 2018-2020, then 2010, which we have also seen as a greater support. Below that it is going to fall heavily. First support at 1997, 2000, and below that a crash can be seen. But look at the point. What I'm trying to say here is, see, it is just given a breakout, failed to sustain. So though it has just given a breakout, though we have seen a reversal, but I will still not treat this as completely bearish as long as 2000 levels are not taken. Stochastic looking down. Look at MACD on the daily charts. It has crossed over here, trading with slight divergence, and it has lot much of scope on the upside for it to continue bullish. Now see, rise, retracement, and a breakout here can lead to bulls here. RSI looking downwards. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4-hour charts, we have seen a sharper fall, identically symmetrical, identically similar resistance zone. On the last day we have seen 2058. I have told you only buying entry was above 2058, else it may try to drop, and the support levels at 2030, 2028 played out well. Now it is staying within the zone here, 2030 to 2060, which is going to be a sideways movement zone. Any break below this should be, and break above and below, or rather I will say, will confirm the reversals. Stochastic rising here, it has hit a lows, it is trying to look upwards, and that is why we can see couple of greener candles. The MACD has crossed over at the peak. It is trading with divergence, and it does not mean that it has achieved the peak. See, on the upside there is lot much of scope available for gold on the upside. Right now it is trying to retrace, and there is a possibility of a slight bearishness. But slight bearishness, when I say, I still say 2028, 2030 should be a greater support, and 2018, 2020 should be greatest support here for gold. Stochastic has dropped as well. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you all can profit comfortably next week. And before we provide these levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, enroll in my 29th mentorship batch commencing in couple of weeks. 28th batch started this week itself. Register yourself now, or you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. Reach out to me via Telegram or email. My email and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. If you also need a consultation or guidance, you can visit my platform forexfunda.com, where you also have the economic calendar, the live charts with advanced tools, the community of traders, and you can book a call with me there. Register yourself now. Now, in the coming week, first let's talk about where you should buy. See, 2042. Remember, the same levels we are focusing on. 2042 is the level. After you can look forward to 2048, 52 zone. This is the first resistance zone, and this is going to be a stronger resistance zone. Now see, even if you see a drop and you see gold prices reversing, these levels will hold good then also. Now, and after that I will look forward to 2058, 60, the next resistance, and then 2065, the third one. Now these three levels, if gold takes pass by, let me increase the resistance levels a bit, where the next target is going to be 2071.5. Now after this, if it breaks, now as and how it breaks these levels, certainly the bullishness is going to increase. What we need to do, we have to either keep shifting the stop losses. See, these are markets, if you keep holding for a long trend, in one day it will reverse, and then you will be waiting for it to go again by your buying level. Thus always keep trailing. Now beyond 2071.5 is where, though I will be looking forward to 2100, 2120, but in between you can find the first support levels at 2084.85 or resistance levels at 84.85. Though after 27.2071.72, I will be looking forward to 2100, 2120 some point of time in the month of February. But in between there is an intermediate resistance. This also you should take care of. Thus keep shifting your stop losses accordingly. On the downside, where you should see, you can sell here at 2036 itself, but then 2030.28, this is going to be the support zone. This is something you should be watchful of. And once it breaks beyond 2028, 2030, we can look forward to the next support zone at 2018, 2020. Now, once it breaks below this zone is where the major bearishness will be seen, where you can look forward to lower prices, where the prices might try to move towards 2010, and then after that I will be looking forward to 1997, 2000. Now we also know that on the downside there is a gap which is due to be filled at a far below levels around 1835, 1845. Now if it breaks below 1997, 2000 is where the major bearishness will be seen. Then I will be looking for 1972.5, and once it breaks below 1972.5 is where the bears will take over towards 1950 and lower levels. Possibility is there. Yes, if it breaks certainly below 1997, 2000, major bearish move can be seen where it is going to move towards 1972, and then 1950 levels also cannot be denied. You have to be trading with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Remember, as and how the downward move increases, and then how it breaks past the resistances, the bearishness is going to increase with every move. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, webinar series, or signals channel. Do join the daily updates as well. Definitely, it will add meaning to your trading decisions. Do like, share, and comment, friends. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.